You can take the princess if you tell me what you have been doing for the last 2 hours in correct English.
That's easy. I was riding here on my horse.
Your English is not good. The princess is staying with me. Watch this video to learn how to say it correctly.
English is easy. How long? How long have I been living here? I have been living here for many years.
How long have you been cooking? You have been cooking for half an hour.
How long has she been running? She has been running since noon.
How long has he been watching TV? He has been watching TV since morning.
How long have we been driving? We have been driving for 2 hours.
How long have you been dancing? You have been dancing since 6.
How long have they been watching us? They have been watching us for 20 minutes.
I have been standing here for 10 minutes.
We have been talking for 3 hours.
It has been raining for 2 hours.
How long has she been reading?
How long have you been reading?
I have been reading since 6 o'clock. I have been reading for 4 hours.
She hasn't been talking to me for hours.
How long has the driver been vaping?
How long have you been vaping?
I have been vaping for 2 minutes.
She hasn't been driving for 2 minutes.
How long have they been eating?
How long have you been eating?
We have been eating for 10 minutes.
We have been sitting here for 2 hours.
I have been eating canned food for years.
How long has the painter been painting this painting?
How long have you been painting this painting?
I have been painting it for over a month. It is a very difficult one to paint.
I have been playing with this ball for an hour. I am getting bored.
How long has she been a housewife?
How long have you been a housewife?
I have been a housewife since our child was born.
I met her a few weeks ago. I have been in love ever since.
How long has the detective been asking questions?
How long have...
Let me go home now. You have been asking questions for 2 hours.
She is right. She has been answering your questions for ages.
How long has the sun been shining?
How long has the sun been shining?
It has been shining all day.
I have been mowing the grass and sunbathing for 20 minutes.
I have been sitting here for 2 hours.
I have been shining for 5 billion years.
How long has the pilot been flying?
How long have you been flying?
I have been flying since I finished Pilot Academy. That means I have been flying for 10 years now.
I have been flying with him since I was born. I was born on an airplane.
I haven't been flying for over an hour.
How long has the biker been riding his motorbike?
How long have you been riding your motorbike?
Since noon.
I have been chasing this monster for hours.
I have been circling around for hours.
How long has the opera singer been singing opera?
How long have you been singing opera?
I have been singing opera only for 2 years, but I have been singing since I was 5.
I have been admiring you since I first heard you sing.
How long has the climber been climbing?
How long have you been climbing?
I have been climbing for 2 hours now. I am becoming really tired.
I have been waiting for over 2 hours. It is my turn now.
How long has the teacher been teaching biology?
How long have you been teaching biology?
I have been teaching for over 30 years.
How long have you been learning English?
How long has the car salesman been selling cars?
How long have you been selling cars?
I have been selling cars since I left college.
I have been waiting for somebody to buy me for half a year now. Does anybody want a beautiful green car?
How long has the writer been writing this book?
How long have you been writing this book?
I have been writing it for 6 months. I have written over 250 pages.
He has been writing books since my great-great-grandfather was born.
How long has the drummer been playing today?
He has been playing for 2 hours.
I've been crying for 2 hours.
I haven't been playing long enough today.
How long has she been building this house?
How long have you been building this house?
I have been building this house for 2 months. I will be finishing it in a month.
I have been chasing mice for 2 hours.
How long has the cook been cooking today?
How long have you been cooking today?
I have been cooking since 10 o'clock. I have been cooking for 2 hours.
I have been eating canned fish since I was born. I have eaten a lot of canned fish.
How long has the shop assistant been doing this job?
How long have you been doing this job?
I have been a shop assistant for 2 years now.
I have been looking for mice for 2 hours now, but there aren't any.
How long has the runner been running?
How long have you been running?
I have been running since noon. I have been running for 2 hours.
We have been running since lunchtime. We will have lunch after the training.
How long have these people been doing what they are doing? Play for 20 minutes.
She has been playing for 20 minutes.
Run for an hour.
She has been running for an hour.
Dance for 2 hours. He has been dancing for 2 hours. Fight the dragon for years.
He has been fighting the dragon for years.
Lie in bed for weeks.
She has been lying in bed for weeks.
Build a sandcastle for hours.
She has been building a sandcastle for hours.
Do yoga for an hour.
He has been doing yoga for an hour.
Pray all day.
She has been praying all day.
Take photos for 2 hours.
He has been taking photos for 2 hours.
Walk since 2 o'clock.
She has been walking since 2 o'clock.
Watch you for 2 minutes.
She has been watching you for 2 minutes.
Play basketball for 1.5 hours. He has been playing basketball for 1.5 hours. Practice, since or for. I have been living here for 10 years. I have been looking for my keys for 10 minutes. It has been raining for hours. He has been sleeping since midnight. He has been running for 2 hours. He has been looking at me since I came here. I haven't been working here for long. What have you been doing since lunch? She has been learning English since she was 5.
It has been raining all day.
I am back for the princess. I have been learning English by watching videos on my mobile phone.
I see you have been learning English. You can take the princess. Keep learning. I have made lots of videos for you.
Do you want to dance?